Hey everybody, Dietrich Williams, Senior Real Estate Specialist with Pacific Union International. And today we're going to be talking about title insurance. Now, you've probably heard of auto insurance and life insurance, but what exactly is title insurance? Well, let's kind of back up a little bit. What does it mean to have title? When you have title, say on a piece of property, it designates you as the true owner of that property. So you have an ownership stake in that property. Let's fast forward. What's title insurance? Well, let's give an example. This is probably the best way that I can explain it. You just saved up all your money. You put an offer on a house. It got accepted. And now you're moving in. You move in. Your kids are going to school in the neighborhood area. You're loving the house. You've been there for 2 months. All of a sudden you get a knock on the door. It's an ex-spouse who used to own this home 12 years ago and is now staking ownership claim to the house. Well, how can this be? You paid for the house, you signed all the documents, the seller sold it to you, it's rightfully yours. But 12 years ago and 2 sales back, somebody sold this home and they didn't get this ex-spouse's permission. They didn't get their signature on the purchase agreement or any other document. And because of that, that person legally has claim to the property. Now, what title insurance does is make sure that if any claim arises, that you or the lender are not responsible for bringing that other person whole. So in this instance, had you had title insurance, the ex-spouse couldn't pursue you or take the home because the title insurer would have paid for that. Does that make sense? So again, there's 2 types of policies that are going to go into that. There's the lender's title policy and then there's the owner's title policy. This ends when the mortgage is paid. This stays on the property for as long as the owner has ownership in it or their heirs own the property. Now, this is a very, very basic explanation of what title insurance is. And essentially what it does is just really protecting the lender and the homeowner just in case somebody comes up later. Tax lien, mechanics lien. I'll explain all of those in a later video. But in case any of those things arise, title insurance will cover that so that you don't have to come out of the pocket to pay for that. Make sense? Awesome. So again, basic understanding of what title insurance is. If you want more information on that, please email me at the information below. I'll make sure to send you to or refer you to a reputable title company who will give you an exhaustive explanation of what that means. And if you found this video useful, please like it, share it with your family and your colleagues, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, D.W. Cali Homes. That's D.W. Cali Homes. I thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you learned something, and I'll see you next time. Take care.